This is Lamine Yamal, and on Monday he plays Cristiano Ronaldo, the man whose crown he's supposed to take. AI designed this drawing lesson and set one benchmark, carried over from last week: make the far cheek actually turn. At the end, it rules hit or choked. He's 18. He scored his first World Cup goal 14 days younger than Messi did. Messi, who once bathed him as a baby for a charity photo back when neither of those sentences meant anything. Ronaldo is 41, 6th World Cup, maybe his last game ever. 2 eras, 1 Monday. And I'm drawing the one whose face is harder because age is easy to draw. Youth has nothing to hide behind. There, one curve on the eye. That stare he does right before he ruins a defender's evening, and it stops being lines and starts being him. The jaw scares me most right now. Every degree of stubble adds a year he hasn't lived. Here's the part that scares me, the far cheek, the side turning away from us. Get that shadow wrong and the head goes flat, or worse, muddy. It's gone wrong on every face I've tried it on. This is exactly what AI is going to catch at the end. Stay with me. The trick that saved it, keeping the shadows warm so the skin stays 18. Go gray here, and he ages 10 years on the paper. Okay. Verdict: hit, with one catch. The turn finally landed. The far cheek reads as a real plane, and for the first time the face turns on both sides. Skin, nearly closed. 4 portraits of patchy, and it's 1 glaze from done, but the new shadow went muddy, flat and gray where it needed to stay warm with a real edge, and the curls, best of the whole series. One target next week, a warm shadow with a clean edge, no smudges. If you want to draw him with me, the exact pencils and the order AI built for this face are in the PDF on my Gumroad. Everything I followed, links in the description. And if you want more of these, there's a hype button now. Use it. Next week's portrait is already on the desk.